Hey everybody, in this video we're going to do a markup problem, okay? So remember, a markup is when the price is increased by a certain percentage. So for this problem we have an original cost of $60 and we're going to mark it up 15%. All right, so that means the price is going to increase 15%. So the first thing we have to do is we have to figure out the amount of markup. All right, so we have to figure out what 15% of 60 is. So come on over here and grab a marker or a pen, it's up to you. Okay. Now, the way you figure out what 15% of 60 is, okay, is you do 60 and you times it by the decimal form of the percentage, which is 0.15. All right. Now, with a calculator, I'll tell you right now, that answer is going to be $9. So $9 is the amount of the markup. So the price is increasing by $9. So now to get the final cost, what we're going to do is we're going to put the original cost here, so it's 60. And then we're going to add the markup, which is 9. And then we get a total of $69. And that's the new cost.